What's up, guys? So I put some springs in my Mini Z. I have the MA 020. So I bought the springs. It comes with the. Here's what the package looks like. Took the springs out. It comes with the um, red soft, the medium, which is medium soft, the green, which is normal, orange, which is medium hard, and hard, which is yellow. I ended up going for the soft red, which you can kind of see them in here a little bit. Super good. I mean, it does make a difference, especially with cornering and handling and stuff like that. So I highly recommend it. I ended up getting most of my parts on eBay. Just from various sellers and things like that. It was basically the cheapest and quickest way to get this stuff. But very impressed with it. I have not, again, I'm new to this. I'm not, upgrading it crazy, going all out. I hope to in the future. I'm just going to do a couple things a month, and just kind of mess with it and see how it goes. But yeah, big difference. It kind of matches the rear stock springs as far as stiffness and stuff goes. But I noticed that it does grip a little better. It does turn and handle a lot better than it did stock. So I highly recommend that. But yeah, this is the package. Here's the part number. This is what I ordered. So yeah, stay tuned for the next video. See you guys next week.